Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Watch S4 41mm, unveiled at Xiaomi's Human Car Home Ecosystem Symposium, represents the brand's latest push into the premium compact smartwatch segment. With a sleek 9.5mm thick profile and a weight of just 32 grams, it combines lightweight construction with elegant aesthetics and solid health tracking capabilities, all while being deeply embedded in Xiaomi's expanding HyperOS 2 ecosystem. Its display is a highlight, offering a 1.32-inch AMOLED panel that refreshes at 60 Hz and reaches a peak brightness of 1,500 nits, ensuring crisp visibility even under direct sunlight. The display is smaller than typical round watches, but its high clarity and smooth response help it feel far from entry-level. This makes it a solid match for users looking for a compact wristwatch that doesn't compromise on visuals or usability. Xiaomi offers the Watch S4 in 4 distinct colors: sandy gold, black, mint green, and white. The gold version is particularly striking, with its crown inlaid with 6 cultured diamonds, paired with an elegant Milanese strap. Users can choose from 3 strap styles overall: Milanese, leather, and fluoro rubber, allowing for a blend of style and practicality that can be matched to different lifestyles and fashion tastes. Under the hood, the Watch S4 is powered by Xiaomi's HyperOS 2, which not only streamlines performance, but also makes the device a central part of Xiaomi's larger smart ecosystem. The integration is seamless. Users can manage other HyperOS connected gadgets from the watch itself, such as smart home controls, media, and possibly even car-related features, bridging the gap between wearables and the rest of Xiaomi's tech world. On the fitness and health front, the Watch S4 doesn't hold back. It supports over 150 sports modes and delivers comprehensive health monitoring, including heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep quality, and body temperature with high accuracy. It also includes Bluetooth heart rate streaming, which is invaluable for users training on cycling machines or gym equipment that can sync in real time. Added features like GPS tracking, SOS functionality, and water resistance enhance its outdoor and safety credentials, making it suitable for active users. Battery life is respectable, though not groundbreaking. With a 320 mAh cell, the Watch S4 can last up to 8 days with regular use. More demanding usage brings it down to around 4 days, and with the always-on display enabled, users can expect about 3 days of use. It's a fair trade-off given the screen quality and feature set. Pricing for the Watch S4 starts at approximately $137 for the base model with a fluoro rubber strap. Given its display, build quality, platform integration, and health features, the Watch S4 offers strong value, especially for those already embedded in the Xiaomi ecosystem. In summary, the Xiaomi Watch S4 41mm successfully balances fashion-forward design, compact form factor, and deep smart integration with a well-rounded fitness and health suite. It's more than just a smartwatch. It's a personal extension of Xiaomi's smart living vision. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this watch? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.